Visit us at Eduvvo. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.
Alright guys, so now when we know how to create a website easily and effectively with the help of Elementor, now you will be able to create any sort of website for any sort of industry and any of your clients. But the question revolves around how to get your first website development client that can pay you a good hefty amount on that. So in order to do that, we'll be taking the help of a tool, a professional tool, which is basically a paid tool. I'll be sharing the link in the description also. So you can check that one up if you feel free to buy it if you wanted to. But I'll also share an alternative, which is a free alternative also. So now the tool which you're going to talk about over here is to gather the information and to generate the leads and to close those leads up. We'll be using the tool which is named as Leads Gorilla. So Leads Gorilla is basically a lead generation tool which a lot of people uses in order to generate the leads and filter the leads too. Why I totally recommend Leads Gorilla over here is because it makes your life very easier and to pitch those clients also very easily with the help of emails and all. It has a inbuilt email marketing software which you can totally use, and also it has tons of report generation tools also. Like if you can see, we have SEO tools, we have local tools, and all the other reports and all too. And you can also use its inbuilt email marketing software in order to share those reports to those particular clients. It's not like I am providing any affiliate of this one up. It's just like for your own sake. If you wanted to use it, just feel free to use. It's not an affiliate link over here. I'll also tell you a free alternative of Leads Gorilla. If you wanted to go with that, you can also do with it. So now what does this Leads Gorilla does over here is I have already bought this Leads Gorilla software for lifetime access. And so now I'm going to walk through with this Leads Gorilla access here and what exactly it does. So we are going to go to find leads and we're going to go to Google Leads over here. We wanted to get website development clients. So now we just need to search over here, let's say hotel, and just enter your location, United States. No need to check the radius up, just click onto the search because we want a broader lead database on that. So once you do that, this is how, so it's showing no leads. So let me quickly go for restaurant. Let's search it again. So you need to be very specific that from which particular location you want the leads and from which particular more, topics you want the leads from. So let's say we have this 20 results over here. So you can see that no website, get in touch. This lead might need one. Again, we have multiple ones, more Google listings here, which does not have any sort of websites here. So what we're going to do is we are going to filter it up with no website. So once done, you can see that we have 10 leads here, which does not have any sort of website. So the Queen Bin restaurant does not have a website. The kitchen table does not have a website. And even you can see that the Downtown Grill and multiple more of the businesses which are into the restaurant phase and all does not have any sort of websites and all. So what you can do is you can gather the information, their phone numbers, even their email IDs, and you can directly send them the emails. So how to do that? So basically you can select all these, or you can click on to select all. You can click on to add selected leads to manage leads. And we are going to be creating a new campaign, and here we're going to be adding restaurant and United States. Just click on to add campaign. So once done, you can add all these leads into this particular campaign over here. Once done, all your leads is going to be added in that particular campaign. So now it's the time to contact those leads. So here you will also find a lot of email templates which you can use if you do not have any sort of ideas that how to write an emails or pitch them one up. So here you can see the category. So website creation and website design. Just search for it. Okay. So now we can see that we have a lot of email templates over here. You can use all these. You can also see how it is going to look like. So this is going to the email, and the best part over here is that you don't have to draft all this email individually. This particular tool is going to send all those emails, and it is going to replace these text from the name of the business so that it looks pretty much legit and so on. So once you're done with this, you can use any sort of template and you can send them the email onto it. So in order to send the emails, you just need to go to this email sorry, not the email templates. You can go to manage leads, or maybe like, okay. So here you can see that we have total 10 leads over here, which you wanted to use. So now you can go to actions. Okay, contact leads. Just click on to contact leads. Select the campaign. So I'm going to select the same campaign here. Now you can see that we have 10 Google leads here. Now you can send them the emails from here. It's a very good tool if you wanted to use it, or if you wanted to use any other email softwares like MailChimp or like Constant Contact and all, or any alternative on that. You can also do that. You can generate the leads from here and you can directly send the emails from that part too. So this is the one way to find the leads and to pitch them up. Second way is to use a free tool, which is basically Get Prospect. So Get Prospect is basically a Chrome extension which is totally built with an idea to generate the leads from LinkedIn. So as you already aware about that, there are multiple leads available onto multiple businesses available on LinkedIn here, all the professional networks here. So you just need to go and click onto this Chrome extension of the Get Prospect, and then just click on to Add to Chrome. Once done, you will find this option up here. I have already installed it, the Get Prospect plugin here. So that's why I'm only getting the option to remove from Chrome. Otherwise, you will be getting the option to add to Chrome over here. Once you add this to the Chrome, it is going to show up something like this over here, this email finder. So now what can be done over here is you can just directly go back to the LinkedIn. So I'm just quickly going to go to the LinkedIn here. And in order to find the leads, just search for, like, let's say again, restaurant. And here I'm going to filter it out to people. So now you can see this, that we have this tool which is floating up over here, and it says like 10 new leads found, right? So now what needs to be done is we need to be very specific that how we are going to get the leads according to industry. So first of all, choose your location. So I'm going to be using United States here and going to be click on to show results. Once done, you can also manually select all these leads where you think that it may be like profitable for your business and it can be converted. Or what you can do is you can save all these one up. So what you can do is you can click on to select all. So everything will be selected and all these 10 leads will be added to your. So now you can see that add pages to the list. So you can add multiple pages. I think so it has 500 leads which you can get for free of cost with this Get Prospect tool. So you can save the pages, let's say 20. So ideally there are 10 results on a single page. So you can save up to like 20 pages at once. Just click on to save leads. So once done, you just need to save these leads to a list. So you will be needing to create a list over here. So I do not have logged in or verified account right now. So you just have to fill on your number here and you will be verified. Then you will be able to save those leads in Excel sheet. And later on, you can easily be able to save and contact those leads with the help of your emailing software. You can either use again Leads Coila if you are willing to buy it. Otherwise, there are many free alternatives like MailChimp, which gives basically around 2000 people to be contacted for free of cost in the start. So you can use that one up. You just have to create an account onto MailChimp and you're good to go with it. So you can see that over here that we have free sessions here. So it says maximum 500 contacts. That means 500 contacts can be contacted for free of cost. Previously, this contact list was for 2000 people, but right now it is for 500. They have depreciated the number over here, but still 500 leads can be converted. Once you hit any of the sales, you can buy any of these softwares if you want to do that. So once done, guys, you just need to contact them up and show them their existing websites. If you do not have any of your websites, you can create multiple mockups on multiple subdomain of your website. So that's like the way I have created learn with .famesmedia.com. You can also create like sample1 your domain.com, then sample2 domain.com, and so on. You can create a profile and then you can attach it in the same email so that it can be pitched to the people which you want to work with. Alright guys, I hope that you like the course. If you like the course, just feel free to give me a message that how do you like it. And if you want any sort of questions to be answered, just feel free to message me or put your questions into the comment box below. And if you want any new courses or any specific topics you want me to create any course with, it will like really great if you can tell me those topics too, so that I can create any personalized course just for you guys. If you find this helpful, just please feel free to give us a good review onto that too. So take care guys. And it was lovely to have you up over here in the course.
If you are looking for teaching stuff, education stuff, programming series, application, and Android development, coding skills, marketing skills, presentation skills, stay connected by subscribing. Thank you for calling Eduvvo.